Changes to New York gun laws and permit policies set to take effect in just over a month, but some of the local agencies tasked with enforcing these new rules say they are still waiting for guidance and some clarity from the states.
Yeah, that's right. These changes are the state's response to the Supreme Court overturning several gun control laws late last month. The new rules expand the eligibility requirements to get a pistol permit in New York, like completing training courses and meeting with a licensing officer. It will also create a statewide licensing and ammunition database and establish state oversight for background checks.
Now, while these changes don't take effect until September 1st, some Western New York police agencies, are advising people to prepare their permit forms now, as they are expecting a high volume of applications to process. But elected officials tell me today they're still looking for some clarity here from the state over some of the changes, just 5 weeks out now from when these changes kick in.
It's hard to implement a plan without further direction on what those requirements are going to be.
Erie County Clerk Michael Kearns voicing frustration over what he says is a lack of clarity surrounding new state requirements for pistol permit applications. The new guidelines, part of the state's new gun legislation, are set to take effect on September 1st.
There's just so much in the legislation, and there hasn't been any communication with the Clerks Association.
Over the last 2.5 years, the Erie County Clerk's office says it has received more than 15,500 pistol permit applications, with more than 700 over the last 30 days. Under the new guidelines, Kearns says all applicants must meet in person with a licensing officer for an interview. The required safety training will also increase from 4 hours to 16 hours.
Those are huge changes.
Peter Vasilion is an attorney with more than 20 years of experience practicing gun law.
Frankly, the interview portion I think is good. I've always had concerns that people are not, be treated as individuals as opposed to being treated as a disembodied number.
As for the increased training,
frankly, that's very doable. I mean, it's an inconvenience, I guess, to some people, but I, in my personal opinion, you can't cover what you need to cover in just 4 hours.
Still, Vasilion tells me he understands the questions and the pushback over the new requirements.
I think most of the people want a handgun in the home to defend themselves and their loved ones in the home. I don't think the majority of people seeking handguns are seeking them to carry them on the street.
Meantime, Clerk Kearns says it's status quo for his office as he waits for more guidance from the state.
This is an unfunded mandate. Who is going to pay these instructors? Who is going to pay for this additional stuff? Who is going to pay for this? Is this about safety, or is this about barriers to the process of owning and having guns in New York State? So I reached out to the governor's office today asking if they would be offering any sort of clarity on these new guidelines to local authorities. A spokesperson telling me in part that this legislation was developed to comply with the Supreme Court's recent decision and that the office has no further comment at this time because of pending litigation.